Over the years, I've added a few carbon fiber pieces to the exterior and interior of my Supra. Today, I'm adding the first aftermarket carbon fiber piece to my GR Corolla and adding one more piece to my GR Supra. On my Supra, I'm adding the Rexpeed carbon fiber reverse light cover. It's a simple install. The piece comes with 3M adhesive tape already installed on the back. To install, you simply clean the area, peel off the adhesive tape backing, and stick the carbon fiber in place. Be sure to line it up properly with the reverse light LEDs so the light shines through the pre-drilled holes. Once it's lined up, firmly press the carbon fiber in place and you're done. My GR Corolla Circuit Edition comes with a beautiful forged carbon fiber roof from the factory. The first aftermarket carbon fiber that I'm adding is the Rexpeed carbon fiber door handle covers. It's a simple install with a big impact. The carbon fiber covers are so well made that they simply snap onto the door handles. Add the supplied double-sided tape and snap them in place.